Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Amex Platinum online guide step by step clearly. To activate your American Express Platinum card online, start by visiting the American Express website. Once on the home page, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to access your account. If you already have an account, enter your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to register. To register, click on the Get Started link located below the login fields. Enter your card details as prompted, including the card number, security code, and expiration date. Follow the prompts to create your online account by setting a username and password. Once you've completed the registration, log in to your new account. Navigate to the Account Management section. Look for the option that says Activate Card. Click on the Activate Card link. Enter any additional information requested, such as the last 4 digits of your social security number. Review your details for accuracy before proceeding. Submit your activation request. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your card has been activated. If you encounter any issues during the process, consider using the live chat feature for assistance. Alternatively, you can also contact customer service for help. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.